How to connect Wi-Fi without password in laptop tutorial. If you find this video helpful, subscribe to the channel. Open up your Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge or browser and type in QR code Wi-Fi generator. Now there's a list of QR code websites or generators, but if we scroll down, the particular website we're going to be using is this one right here, qfi.org. Once this has loaded, you are going to be able to type in your SSID of the network and then the key or the password. And then encryption, you can choose of one of these three options, WPA, WEP, or none. Once you have inputted the information, click Generate. And voila, your free QR code of Wi-Fi has successfully been created. Wi-Fi without password in laptop. You can choose to save, to export, or to print your free QR code for Wi-Fi. Check out the playlist for more videos like this and subscribe to the channel for more content.